For this video, we will talk about a topic called finding limits. But first, what is a limit? A limit describes the value that a function gets close to as the input approaches a certain number. It's not about the exact value, but it's all about what the function is approaching. For a much simpler explanation, a limit tells us what value a function is approaching as the input approaches a certain point.
Let's start with the first example. The value that x is approaching is 1. So 1 is going to be substituted. Then 2 raised to 1 is equals to 2. So the limit is 2. Let's move on to the second example. Here, x is approaching 0. So 0 is going to be substituted. Now let's simplify. 0 plus 1 is equals to 1. Then 3 raised to 1 is equals to 3. So the limit is 3. Now let's move on to the main problem. This expression is an exponential function. Since exponential functions are continuous, the limits exist. Because of this, we can use direct substitution. Now, the value that x is approaching is negative 2. So negative 2 is going to be substituted. Negative 2 plus 2 is equals to 0. Any non-zero numbers raised to 0 is equals to 1. Therefore, the limit is 1.
To conclude, a limit describes the value of function approaches as the variable gets closer to a specific number. For continuous functions, such as exponential function, we can easily find limit using direct substitution. Also, understanding limit is very important in calculus because they help us analyze the behavior of function near a given value and serve as foundation for derivatives and integrals.
Thank you for watching, and we hope this tutorial helped you better understand how to find limits.